Today with the 2017 Yukon. Peace of mind comes standard with GMC's powertrain warranty and Yukon's 5-star frontal crash test rating. Boasting a Vortec 5.3-liter V8 with active fuel management, flex fuel, Yukon is agile and capable. This vehicle has less than 70,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: rain-sensing wipers, electronic stability control, power liftgate, brake assist, traction control, remote keyless entry, fog lights, front-wheel independent suspension, speed control, 4-wheel disc brakes. This isn't just a vehicle, it's an experience. So stop in for a test drive today.